Okay, I'm bringing this problem back up. I noticed one thing I didn't talk about, which is new and extremely important, not just to this section, but in general, is what if actually we found the endpoint to be a maximum, right? Like, in this case, we, at some point, maybe it's best to not offer a discount at all, kind of like our answer to C here, right? This max was outside of the domain. So what do I mean by that? Like in this last example, the discount, which is X, has to be somewhere between no discount, right, to $9. That's it. So when we ended with a negative half, which negative 50 cents, right, it was outside of the domain. It didn't make sense in the discount. So our maximum revenue, and I know it doesn't ask, but it's important to check. Obviously, a $9 discount would be lame, right? If I gave a $9 discount, I'm giving them out for free. So our revenue with a $9 discount would be like I'm charging $0 times however many I sell, which I know is 0. Definitely not a max. So therefore, it's got to be in the endpoint where I don't offer a discount. So if X is 0, then I'm charging $9 per pizza, and as the original problem stated, right, everything remained unchanged, but I could also plug in 0 for X and I'd get 0 plus 1,000. So I know my revenue would be 9,000, and that's going to be the max in that one. Now, going back to the original problem though, 18, we should verify that giving a $0 discount is not the maximum revenue I'd get, right? That in fact this 4 is. Because yes, the second derivative showed this is a max, but remember it's a relative max. So I don't know what this graph looks like. I mean, we could expand it. I would in fact save the parallel, but it's neither here nor there. We need to check endpoints. And let's do it down here. There's more room. So what do I mean by that? Well, given an $18 discount, we know that's out, right? I mean, I don't need to plug it in. We'd make 0. So we need to check now, what would we make at $4, and what would we make if we gave a $0 discount, right? Which of these are going to be bigger? Sometimes this endpoint is actually the absolute max. It's important to check those endpoints when the domain is restricted. The domain here, right, we could offer anything from 0 to 18 in the original problem. So R of 4 would mean I sell 1,400 because remember the slope is up 100 in cells for every one that we go up, right? Or you could just plug it straight in the formula. 100 times 4, 400 plus 1,000. So 1,400 pizzas sold multiplied by $14, because the discount again, right, 4. So 18 minus 4 is 14. We need to compare that to if we gave a $0 discount. Well, we know we sold 1,000 at $18 a pizza. Okay, that I could do in my head. 1,800. 14 times 14 is 196, I believe. 140. Yeah. So 190, 19,600. All right. So the endpoint was not the max. It is best to give a $4 discount.